Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's gonna be part 2 of doing the interior. The last video I did my center console, where my e-brake goes, my shift boot, and my cup holders. I did some other pieces too with another can, and it did most of the job. Whatever I had left over, I put on my door panels, and it didn't really cover the whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my door panels, finish the top of the dash and the back dash, and finish these pieces that go to the doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into that, put you guys on a tripod, and go through a time lapse and go from there. So here's all the door pieces done. I didn't have any gloves, so my hands kind of got black. But I found out using this before, you could just use rubbing alcohol and some soap, and it comes right off. And I also did my gas lever, my gas tank lever, and my trunk lever. Now I just gotta wait for these to dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my doors, my back dash, and my front dash, and that will be it. So I'll be right back when I have the doors ready to be painted. Alright, so I got everything masked off. Actually, let's close this. I got everything masked off. I just gotta go ahead and start up here. Just finish it off and everything will be done. Yeah, I put some of the parts back in and everything, but I'll show you guys the full everything once it's done. So I'm going to get started. Then I'm gonna start from this area and work my way down. So let's do this. Alright, so far so good, but sadly I ran out of paint and I'm kind of running out of time too. So I'm gonna go ahead and start up tomorrow, finish up tomorrow. I'm gonna buy me one more can of paint and finish off that back corner over there. And yes, before I started, I did mask this off. I know in the last clip I didn't mask anything off, but I actually did. But so far so good. So I'm gonna get back at this tomorrow with a new can of paint. All right, so for the look of things, looks like I got everything done, everything covered. Pretty sure I did. I think maybe a little bit more right here in this little area. Can't really tell. I'm gonna go over it one more time, and a little in the back over there, but I'm pretty sure I got it all. And after that, I'm gonna start putting everything back in, the doors, and put the back dash back in, and then I'll show you guys exactly what I finished, show you how it came out all together. Alright, so the interior is done. All the pieces I wanted painted black are black. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Before I do that, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop another video. And if you like this video and my last video, please hit the like button. And also too, let me know you guys' opinion on how I did the inside of the car. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Right now I'm hot and sweaty, so I'm gonna go inside and go ahead and get cleaned up. Till the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.